Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up Hey Google on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Google application on our Android phone. This is my Google application. Then we can tap on our profile button right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be some options for us and we have to select the settings option. Okay, on the settings option, we have to click on the Google Assistant. Since we want to set up our Google Assistant, then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Okay, and if you want to activate your Google Assistant or set up your Google Assistant, you just need to click on this toggle button. And right after you click on this toggle button, the Google Assistant or the Hey Google feature will be activated on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate or set up Hey Google on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.